Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. In an attempt to get the job done, here I am, folks. FCP Euro. FCP's got a pickup for those that are local. Now, if you are traveling through the area and you live like in Ohio like I do, and you try to order something for local pickup, you can't do it. The computer knows your address is hundreds and hundreds of miles away. So what you have to do for a shipping address, you put in their address, and then it'll let them know that you're going to pick it up. So you come inside. They have a couple of screens that says start your pickup there. Click the button, find your name, and when you choose your name, it'll tell you what box you pick your stuff up in. Mine is not here. Pick up, get your stuff out of one of the pickup boxes. Nice and easy. Quick and greasy. Just check your stuff. Make sure you got everything you need. After 215 miles and over 5 hours of travel, it's like, 7 hours of travel, I am finally here to finish up this car. So we're going to start off. The intake manifold is different on this head than the head that was on there. See, the ports there are round. The intake manifold is like those newer cars that has a little peak in it. So that's the manifold that came off of it. It has those little peaks. But we did have the intake manifold that didn't have the peaks on it. They came off of it, but it has this variable valve thing on here. I don't know if this works or not. I don't know if those are open or closed or what. But I'm going to try to open these and leave this thing open. I think it's open now. If it was up, it would be closed. And install it with that stuck. It seems it's already stuck. Anyway, that's how we're going to run this thing. So let me go ahead. I'm going to remove this because this will be in the way of the PCV system I have. I don't want that in the way. Clean this off, get it installed, brake booster hose there, and hopefully install that PCV hose so we can get this thing rolling. I also got a cam sensor because the cam sensor plug on this one was destroyed, and I don't want to be dealing with that. So let us go ahead and try to finish putting this together here. Hopefully an hour or two we have this thing rocking and rolling. I got another hose for here, and actually maybe this hose not bad, it just didn't have a clamp on it. I thought it was bad. Yeah, I just need to put a clamp on it. I thought it had a turbo hose on that. So let me put a clamp on that and try to get this thing back together here as quick as I can. Pulled this off. It had a ball socket. Pulled it off there. I took one of these brackets that hold your fuel lines down here, and I opened up the hole a little bit with the drill so the screw can fit down in there and hold this down. So that is trapped. That should be good to go. Keeping that open. Let's go ahead and get this intake manifold installed. This intake manifold doesn't have the port on the end like the other one did. So I'm gonna run the hose from that nipple on here to the vacuum tree. And I didn't see a vacuum tree on this one. So I'm gonna take the one off of wherever that thing is and put it on this one and run the vacuum line to it. So let me go ahead and install this NA hose and then drop this intake manifold on. Now I got to get all of this cam sensor out of that plug there. That old cam sensor broke off in there. Got the new spark plugs in. Should have showed you those, but didn't. Getting ready to put the fuel rail on. Got the intake manifold on. That port was missing off of this 94, 95 intake manifold with the variable port intake. So I tried to tap it in. They didn't have the right size tap. I opened up the hole, screwed it in best I can. Hopefully that won't leak. Brake booster line was messed up, so
you did come up with something.
I got one here. I'm getting ready to hook that up.
You did come up with something.
Yeah, I got the PCV thing there, and I'm gonna go ahead and bolt these fuel injectors in. We should be good to go to start this car. Everything should be together. You got the clutch in? Yeah. Push the clutch in. Yeah, and now try to start. I guess the battery's dead. The battery's dead or the starter's dead. Hold on a second. Got the jump off hooked up to it. We're gonna fire it up, make sure the timing belt tracks, everything looks good, and oil starts circulating. Go ahead, try it again. I guess my box not strong enough. Try one more time. Hold it down, keep holding it. It won't go? Hold it down, keep on. Yeah, my box not strong enough. Oh, it went off, hold on. All right, go ahead. All right, try now. Yeah, it came on, it went on. Huh? Yeah. It's crazy. Cut the wipers off. You don't sound like you got no compression. Just hold the gas pedal down and try to crank it. Yeah, hold it all the way down and go ahead and crank it. Keep cranking it till it starts. All right, hold on. Let me try to start it. Let me try to start it. It sounds like it don't got no compression now. Yeah, it doesn't have any compression now.
That means something's wrong?
No, it means it needs to build up compression.
Oh.
Trying it again. All right, hold on. Crank timing was off 90 degrees, I think, forward. So hopefully we didn't mess up any valves. All right. Try it again. Try it again. All right, hold on. I had spark and fuel removed trying to start the car. Now let's try to start it again. Fire right up. Smoke blowing out the back. We're gonna let it cruise a little while. That's because all that oil I put in there. Hopefully it won't have a misfire and we'll be good with all our valves. The car was actually in gear, and because it didn't have an LSD, it didn't walk off the jack stand. So we're good to go. Let me put the wheel back on, tighten all this stuff up, put the cover on, and get out of here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.